name is Nicholas, and I'm going to explain all the workshops I did in the London trip. So this is the flight to Doha. It was a very long flight, but I didn't get many rest because I was in the middle seat, so I didn't get used to it. So this transit at Doha with that big teddy bear, I guess. It was really cool, but that was the only picture I got. So this is the first workshop. It was the robotics. This is the robot I made. It's not really good, and I'm pretty sure it's broken. So this is the brand workshop. I took this photo of someone's drawing because I couldn't draw, and it was actually pretty cool, I guess. This is the third workshop, the circus workshop. I didn't take any pictures of the circus, so I just took the roads where I'm kaya lagi mo situ lah. So this is the fourth workshop, the cooking workshop. That's the beef Wellington that I made. It wasn't really good, but I enjoyed making it. So the fifth workshop was the CSI workshop. Again, I didn't took a photo of the place, so I just took a photo of the road. So this is the sixth workshop, the fencing workshop. Again, I didn't take any because it was in the evening, and we immediately started fencing. So the seventh workshop, in the Royal Courts of Justice in London, was very exciting, and as my first case as a lawyer, I won. So yeah. Eighth workshop, it was afternoon tea and English manners. It was actually pretty boring. So this is the ninth workshop. It was smartphone photography. This was one of the photos I took. I just took it randomly. I didn't really had a preference. So the 10th workshop, it was musical drama. This photo is actually from the museum I went to. So it was the day before I went to the musical drama. So it's the graffiti workshop. This is the art I made. It's pretty simple, but I really like it. And the last workshop is business at Chelsea. We managed to travel around the stadium, and the tour guide was really nice, and he explained all the marketing in Chelsea. Thank you.